What if I told you that 666 was a false doctrine?
All right, let's see it.
We can see in verse 17 that the name and the number are the exact same thing. So the number of the beast is his name. If we can figure out what his name is, we can figure out what the mark is.
The name is Nero Caesar, and you get 666 based on gematria. If you write out the name in Hebrew and then add up the numerical values of the different Hebrew characters, you get 666. If you transliterate from the Greek spelling of the name into Hebrew, if you transliterate from the Latin spelling of the name into Hebrew, you get 616, and that is the reading in our second earliest manuscript witness to this passage in the book of Revelation.
Verse 18, Here is wisdom. Let him that hath understanding count the number of the beast, for it is the number of a man, and his number is 666. In the original Greek, you will find where you see the number 666, it doesn't exist. What you will find, however, is Chi Z stigma.
That second character is not a Z, or what is more accurately referred to as a zeta. That is a Xi, and this is how you wrote numbers anciently.
If we take a look at all the different canons in Greek, you will see Chi Z stigma at the bottom of each one where 666 should be. Now when you break these words down, Chi literally means Christ and his cross.
It doesn't mean that in any way, shape, or form whatsoever. And also the second character there, Xi, does not mean cross. The word xilon means wood. And there is a passage in the New Testament where this word is used figuratively to refer to Jesus' cross. But the Greek word for cross is stavros. It's not xilon. That one just means wood.
The Z and the stigma equal XS in our alphabet. Christos equals XS or XC. So when you translate that, that is Jesus Christos.
It would not be translated that way. If you had a chi and a sigma, that would be the first and the last letter of the word Christos. And if you had those two together with a line over top, that would be what's called a nomen sacrum, a sacred name. That would be an abbreviation of the name Christos. But that requires the he, not the xi. Those are entirely different letters.
Sound familiar? If you look at some of the old Roman Catholic art, you'll always see the XS or the XC. Here it is again up here in the corner.
Yes, that is a chi and a sigma, the first and the last letter of the word Christos. That is not the English transliteration of the Greek character xi. That's an entirely different letter altogether.
And then down here, take a look at the hand gestures. In every one of these paintings, look up what the hand gestures mean. Here's another example, and again, with the same exact hand signals.
That's actually supposed to be a close approximation of the spelling iota, sigma, chi, sigma with the fingers.
Strong's Concordance number G5515 is Chi Z stigma, or better known as 666.
So my universal rule about arguing about religion on the internet is that if you quote Strong's Concordance, you are making it clear to everybody you do not know the first thing about the language.
So Chi Z stigma equals Jesus Christos, which translates to Jesus Christ.
Yeah, this is just laughably uninformed.